You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.